Hello, so we will discuss the news writing principles. Let us define first what is news. So, news is a report of recent events or of something unknown according to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary. Panghitabo na siya bag-o or latest na siya nga panghitabo. Something nga wala kahibaw ang mga tao. It is also an information about something that has just happened or will happen soon. So, information nga bag-o lang nahitabo or mahitabo niya or siya announcement. News is that of part of communication that keeps us informed of the changing events, issues, and characters in the world outside. Though it may be interesting or even entertaining, the foremost value of news is as the utility to empower the informed. So, ang news or balita kay kanunay na siya nga nagpahibalo sa mga panghitabo, sa mga nahitabo, o sa mga kausaban, sa mga issues, sa atong palibot, sa atong lugar, sa kalibutan. Dapat interesting siya, unya makalingaw, yung pinaka-importante kay ang balita kay gigamit para ma-empower ang nakahibaw na sa balita. So, kinahanglan di ay ang imuhang news nga i-share kay kanang newsworthy. Makatabang siya sa makadungog sa imuhang balita. So, it is informative and at the same time, the information nga imong i-share, ang pamaagi sa pag-share nimo sa information kay empowering sa naminaw or sa nagbasa. So, what is news and what it's not? News is based on facts. It is based on actual statistics, interviews, statements, and real-life events. So, dapat ang nasa balita is tinuod o niya based sa tinuod ni statistics, based sa interviews na tinuod, mga ipang storya na tinuod sa tinuod ng kinabuhi. Unya, written in plain, direct, and simple language. Simple ra ang imong gigamit na language. Walay daghang buwak-buwak, walay daghang pakapin. And it is written in a technical format. When we say technical format, na akay gi-follow nga rules. Like the use of inverted pyramid, one sentence, one paragraph. No, kay kung daghan kay sentence in one paragraph, essay na di na simple ang imuhang balita. And news is not a work of fiction. It's not a product of writer's imagination. So, dili siya gi-imagine lang or hinimo-himo lang. It is an actual event. Then it is written in overly colorful. It is not written in overly colorful or creative language. So, wala siya kay daghang para-para. Wala kay daghang words na gigamit para mo panindot sa usa ka butang, but actually dapat di jud ka bias. And it is written in news is not written in a freestyle. Dili ka pwede magpataka lag suwat based sa imong gusto. Naa kay i-follow nga rules. So this is the structure of a news article. We use the inverted pyramid, one in which information is arranged from most important to least important. So, mao na ang news. Magsugod ka sa pinaka-importante hangtod sa least na nga important. Supporting details na lang. Sa inverted pyramid, nasa pinaka-top ang pinaka-importante. Who, what, when, where, why, how. Diha ni mo state. Kinsa, ngano, unsa ang panghitabo, kinsa ang involved, kano saan na siya, asa na siya nahitabo, ngano nahitabo na siya, unsa ang pamaagi sa panghitabo. Then, sa next na succeeding na paragraph, kanang hatag na kang important nga detalye, hangtod background na sa panghitabo. Example, the news title is 2 dead, 10 hurt as PUJ hits car in Mandaue. If you look at the inverted pyramid structure, first paragraph, nanadiha ang pinaka main nga details, most important details sa news. 2 people died while 10 others were injured when a public utility jeepney collided with a private car along the National Highway in Barangay Cambaro, Mandaue City on Monday afternoon. Then police identified the fatalities as Juan de la Cruz, 45, from Barangay Poblacion, Dalmantayan Town, and Maria Santos, 38, from Barangay Luyang, Carmen Town. So, sa first paragraph daan na gibalita na diretsyo niya ingon unsay nahitabo, pila ka tawo ang naigo or affected, ngano man kanusa og asa na siya nahitabo. Then sa next paragraph iya nang niad na siya important details ang persons involved. According to the police officer, third paragraph, padayon siya hatag og supporting details. Pero nagka-list ang iyang importance. According to Police Officer 1 Michael Flores, investigator at the Mandaue City Police Office, the PUJ boarded by De La Cruz and Santos was about to cross the intersection in Cambaro when a white Honda CR-V driven by Homer Saison suddenly swerved to the PUJ's direction, hitting the latter. Because of the impact, the jeepney overturned, throwing the passengers up to 15 meters away. On the other hand, the driver and passengers of the car were unharmed. Flores said Saison has been taken into custody by the police pending the filing of reckless imprudence resulting in multiple homicide against him. As of this writing, it has yet to be seen whether the families of De La Cruz and Santos pursue formal charges against the said driver. So that is the structure of a news article. Pyramid of pyramids. If daghan ka itackle nga issue, then you have to follow the pyramid still. First issue that you're gonna tackle, arrange it in pyramid structure. Another pyramid structure in the next theme or topic or next issue in another pyramid. So this is an activity. Assume that you have the following information. How do you turn this? How do you provide important details? Vice President and Department of Education Secretary Dara Duterte has asked 250 million in confidential funds from Congress under the 2024 General Appropriations. Then add more details. So naadira sa next box ang iyahang gi-add ni detail. So hopefully kasabot ra.